Yes. So in the water, so we will be having two types, students. The two types were soluble particles and insoluble particles. So coming for the soluble particles. The soluble particles means the particles which are being mixed with the water. That is called as the soluble particles. So it is maybe the examples were salt and sugar. Have you observed in your home? No, I guess. Today I will show you. Next, coming for an insoluble particle means the particles which does not mix with the water. It is called an insoluble particle. The example for those two are oil and grease. Yes, these are the insoluble particle. So before going to conduct our today's experiment, students, so we will see how the process will take place. As I told, water is a clear solution. So for soluble particle experiment, you take 1 glass of water. If you had a salt or sugar, so what it will, when you start mixing, the salt and sugar will dissolve. But sugar it will take time, but completely it will dissolve. Next, coming for a insoluble particle, take a glass of water. If you add oil, the oil will get separated. The oil will get separated. As I told, in the insoluble particle, the particles won't mix up with the water. Yes. So, in the theory we have learned now. So, as I told you, today is an amazing science. So, let's see. Yes, come in. Students, this is your practical setup. Yes, today we are going to do a experiment regarding water. Water as a soluble solution. Okay. So, as I told you, the water is a clear solution. See, you can observe the water. See in the glass how the water is? The colorless. It is taking the color of a glass. Yes, no? Yes, see, it is a colorless, means very pure. So, I have taken 3 glasses of water. Okay. The first thing is the regarding a soluble solvents. Regarding soluble solvents, I will explain. Okay. As I told you in the theory class, right? So, take 1 glass of water. Add what? Yes, you have to add a what? You are adding a salt. You are adding a salt to this water solution. If you turn the, so if you stir the water, see what it is happening? The salt is getting dissolved. You can observe this. Yes? Yes. So you can get a clear solution. Now you got to know. So salt has been a soluble particle in the water solvent. Yes, now students? Yes, it is interesting, no? Yes. So next we will move on to the sugar solution. Yes, sugar is also one of the soluble particle. So when you add a sugar to the, yes, when you add a sugar to the what? Glass of water. If you start doing, if you stir, so the salt are very small, but the sugar having a crystal, right? It will take time to dissolve, but it will mix up with the what? Yes, water. So this you may observe in the milk. Suppose if your mom is adding sugar to the milk, it will take time, right? Yes, likewise in water also, but it will dissolve. We should keep on stirring for some time. Okay, students? Yes, it's already started to soluble. Okay? See? So many particles has been what? Dissolved. So these two are example for what? Soluble particles in the water. Okay. Now we will see the insoluble particle. For insoluble particle, I have gave you a what? Oil as an example. Take 1 glass of water. If you had few drops of oil to the water, so see what it is happening? The oil particles, the oils were coming up. Yes, see, you can clearly see it. It is like a bubble, see? Yes, it is not dissolving in the water. So can we take oil as a insoluble particle? Yes, students, this is the insoluble particles. So, from this experiment, we got to know that the soluble particles are salt and sugar. The insoluble particle are oil and grease. Yes, I hope you enjoyed today's class. Yes, we will meet in a next week with a other interesting experiment. Still that, take care.